Hi guys, welcome back to SADESIGN channel. In this video, I'll show you how to put someone's face to a banknote. First, open the photo of the one that you want to use for this effect. I'll choose well-known person. John Darwin, who is the best known for his contribution to the science of evolution. Go to Select, Subject, to let the Photoshop AI to select him for us. We have to separate him from the background. Then select a mask to make the selection more accurate. Pick up Refine Edge Brush tool or shortcut and paint over the edges of the subject. While painting, you can see this tool will eliminate the background but keep his hair intact. Make sure to check the contaminate color. Adjust the amount to 50% and export in new layer. First step is done. Next, create a new layer, filled with 50% gray. Then OK, make sure black in foreground and white in background. If it's not, press D on the keyboard to set it back to default. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. We'll add half-tone pattern filter. It's located in Scratch folder. Set size as 1. Contrast in maximum and pattern type is line. OK. To turn this line into wave, head to Filter, Distort, Wave. Set the values at below. Number of generator 1. Wavelength min 155, max 160. Amplitude min 20, max 48. Scale 100% for both horizontal and vertical. Type and undefined areas leave as default. Hold Ctrl and click to second layer to take the selection of the subject. Then click to this icon to add layer mask of the subject to layer 1. Change normal to overlay in blend mode. There are two black areas at the bottom, so we have to expand the lines to fill it. Click to the chain icon to unlink the connection between layer and mask. Press Ctrl T to expand the layer until lines fill black area. Tips: to expand from the center, you have to hold Shift, Alt while dragging out at the same time. Duplicate it with Ctrl or Command J. Rotate this copy layer with Ctrl T. Right click to it and choose Rotate 90 degrees lockwise. Expand it to fill all the document as well. The textures looks like it's in money paper. Create a stamp visual layer, which is the combination of all layers below the current layer. Press Ctrl, Alt, Shift E to do that. Now, use Move tool to move it onto the banknote photo. Head to Window, Channels. In this window, we have Inner Frame. It's the center of the money paper where most of banknotes tend to put the image of famous people. Hold Ctrl and click it to get the selection. Move back to Layer Channel and add layer mask to layer 1. Now you see the subject inside the shape, but we have to scale it down with Ctrl T. After that, change Multiply in blend mode. Duplicate it and change blend mode to the copy layer back to normal. It's quite bright, so reduce the opacity to 80%. Next, we'll match the color of subject to money. It's more of green. Create a hue saturation adjustment layer. Check to colorize box. Make sure to clip and match it with the below icon so that the effect of color will only apply to the subject. Change the subject to a bit of green at hue channel. Then adjust saturation and lightness as you see fit. Reduce the opacity of this layer even more. Next, we'll add his name to the frame. Pick up text tool and type his name out. Click to this icon to open wrap text window. Then drop down menu in Style and choose Arc. Bend at 22%. and OK. Ctrl T to scale it down and put it in the center. Reduce the opacity to 90% for color matching. Put all layers into group. Enjoy! If you think this video is helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any video later on. See ya!